everyone, Michelle Harvey here, also known as Hippie Oil Chick, coming at you live on Facebook with another episode of What's in My Monthly Wellness Box, the March edition of 2019. Haven't been on in a while, and I got my order in today, and of course I'm always super excited. It's like Christmas every month, twice a month, since now I've got my own account and Eric has his own account. We're getting orders twice a month. So before we get started, I actually wanted to come on and talk about a resource that has been invaluable to me. Hey girl, this essential oils pocket reference. This is, I call it the Oily Bible. It is filled, chock filled, like you could never, I mean, I guess you could get through it, but you can't get through it quickly. There's so much information in here, and it's, I want to say it's like $12 or something for this book. So for anybody who's a newbie, or even people who are seasoned users that want to expound their knowledge on essential oils, I definitely recommend having a reference. Some people are more app people, and apps are great, but I actually really like having this handheld reference to be able to open up, and it's tangible. You can keep it on your nightstand, your coffee table, etc., etc. So that's just a shout out for this book. Now let's go ahead and talk about what I got in my monthly order. Of course, a lot of it is the same old stuff that I got, but I do have a lot of freebies to talk about, the freebies for March. So first and foremost, got to talk about Ningxia Red, okay? Ningxia Red, we get it pretty much every other month, sometimes a couple of months in a row. I'm now drinking 3 to 4 ounces a day, even though I used to drink 2 ounces. I started upping my intake when I was pregnant and have not been able to stop. I'm addicted. It's amazing, amazing stuff. Why? Because as you can see, the whole bottom third of this bottle is actually fruit pulp. It's the pulp from the Ningxia wolfberry, which is a goji berry. Extremely high in antioxidants, and antioxidants are what go to battle free radicals in our cells, and we're all under oxidative stress. We're all being hit with that all day, every day. So this is kind of almost like an anti-aging juice for your cells, okay? So it just goes in there and it battles those free radicals. It's not just the goji berry, although that's the main pulp. There's some other berries in there like cherry, aronia, blueberry, so on and so forth. Super tasty, 2 ounces a day. If you can't afford to do 2 ounces a day, start with 1 ounce a day. That's what I did for several months. I did start to see a difference about 2 months in drinking this. So it's not something that you're probably going to see a difference in overnight. Just like anything else, it's a habit that needs to be cultivated. So can't say enough about my Ningxia Red, my bottles. So we got the bottles, and we have the 30 packets of the 2 ounce, and I love these because you can throw them. I can throw them in the diaper bag when I haven't had time to have my shots in a glass out of the bottle. You can make popsicles out of these. You can mix them with Topo Chico, lime essential oil, other, all of our edible oils. These are fantastic. So I freaking love Ningxia Red. It's my absolute favorite non-essential oil product from Young Living, even though it has essential oils in it. Almost all of our products have essential oils in it. Lemon, yuzu, orange. It's got all those citrus oils to give you that D-limonene that your body needs. So got that. Of course, a box of nitro. And I'm getting more for free. I'm going to redeem some points and get a couple of more boxes, but nitro is my godsend. This is a mineral and vitamin dietary supplement for cognitive fitness, so it does have that caffeine in the form of green tea extract. Only about 35 milligrams, so if you are a seasoned coffee drinker, this may not be enough for you unless you are not someone who intakes a lot of coffee, but it could actually help you quit that coffee if that's something that you're interested in doing. Just know that it may take a little bit because this is only 35 milligrams, but it's perfect for me. Some days when I've had not a whole lot of sleep with the Chunk-a-Monk, I will do 2 of these nitros in one day. I call that a 2 nitro day. So love, love, love nitro. That's one of my can't live withouts, and obviously on my order. In another family of caffeinated Young Living products. This is the Zing. I love these cans. This is white tea extract versus the green tea and the nitro. I love this because it's like a soda. It's carbonated. It's got carbonated water in it. And so this is a super refreshing drink for the summer. I actually will have half a can of this mixed with my Nisha and my nitro and some lime essential oil, and I make a nice little cocktail with it. I mean, of course, you could add vodka if you wanted to, but, you know, I'm not saying I've ever done it. I'm not saying I haven't not done it either. Anyway, Zing is thebomb.com. Love, love, love Zing. These I keep in my refrigerator. Again, I have half a can so that I can spread them out because, yeah, I'm on a budget too. I get it. Our stuff isn't cheap because it's not made cheaply, and it's made with the best quality of ingredients. So it's like that old adage, you get what you pay for. Okay, so those are all of my wellness drinks. And then, of course, can't live without my Essentials Limes 4. Erica and I take these. I take them with, well, actually now I'm only taking them once a day. We're both taking them once a day. What I love about these is it's a dual blister pack. So it's got 2 different pills that you take with your meal. One's extended release and one's delayed release. I'm sorry, one is immediate release and one's delayed release. So I like that because basically it's covering all of your bases. It's covering your things that need to be digested immediately, like your carbs and sugars, and then it's covering your things that take a little bit longer, like your fats and proteins. So, and then of course it's plant-based, it's got essential oils in it, and I can tell a difference when I don't have my Essentials Limes 4. We need help digesting our food. The older we get, our systems aren't as efficient. And so plant enzymes can actually help you break down that food, extract more nutrients out of it. So it's actually benefiting you as you eat. Of course, you should always intake good food, eat healthy, all of that. But these are just a good support for the digestive system. Okay, what else did I get? Oh my gosh, I think that's all I paid for. The rest of this video is literally everything that Young Living has sent me for free for ordering the maximum amount of PV, product volume, in order to get the freebies. So love talking about the freebies because I would have ordered all of this anyway, and then Young Living sent me free product on top of that just because they love us and they're a fantastic company. And I will go to my grave defending them. So anyway, all that to say, 3 essential oils were free this month. Orange Vitality, such a perky essential oil, fabulous for the diffuser. It is a perky oil, as all citrus oils are. They are lift me ups, they are feel good, they are cleansing oils. Great to mix with other oils, other blends. Orange and Joy oil are great together in the diffuser. They're also top notes in a lot of perfumes. And obviously this is the Vitality, so you can drink this orange. You can put it in your water. You can put it in your Topo Chico. You can put it in your cocktail. Wait a minute, who has cocktails anymore? I know I don't. Anyway, that's your orange for you. Then another freebie is Thieves. I love Thieves. I can't say enough about Thieves, but because I like to keep my videos on the shorter end, I'm not going to go into how much I love Thieves. But let's just say everybody needs Thieves all year round, but especially during this particular season that we're in where everybody's freaking out about all of these things that you can get. Not to mention the cleaning that you can do with Thieves, the oral care that you can do with Thieves. This is a Swiss Army knife oil up there with lavender, peppermint, many uses. Okay, I think it's our #1 selling blend. And then Kunzia, this was a freebie. This is one of our newer oils that we get from Australia. Super good for the skin. It's a very cleansing oil. It smells very fresh. Reminds me of a freshly mowed lawn. And again, like I said, great for skin. I need to learn a little more about what the other uses for it, but I'm very happy to have another one on hand since I only have one. I like to have back stock too, because occasionally our oils go out of stock. More freebies. Thieves dish soap. How did Young Living know that I was running low on my other Thieves dish soap? And let me tell you guys, our stuff is so concentrated that it lasts me forever. I only have to use a few drops of it. Guys, do not overuse your stuff. Things last. Our stuff is concentrated, smells good, gets those dishes clean, and non-toxic, okay? Thieves dish soap. If you're not using it, definitely try it. Then, excited about this, fruit and veggie soak. Guys, even if you're ordering organic, you would be surprised. Oftentimes there is a residue on your fruits and vegetables. It's still good to wash them. Washing them with water is the next best step to not washing them, but it's not really doing a whole lot. Soaking your fruits and veggies in our fruit and veggie soak, you will be appalled at what your water looks like, even if you're ordering organic fruits and veggies, okay? Try it. Don't knock it till you try it. Fantastic stuff. Thank you, Young Living, for giving me that for free. And then I got some Cool Azul. I didn't know they were offering samples of these. I love the Cool Azul pain cream. They just threw these in my box. Not sure why, but I'm going to be giving them out to everyone because I use the pain cream. I believe in the pain cream. I use it for everything. Last but not least, I saved the best for last on Freebies. Thieves Household Cleaner and some cleaning cloths. Okay, didn't need the cleaning cloths, but glad to have them. I mean, who couldn't use them? Purple, pretty, just like Young Living. This stuff. If you are too good for essential oils, but you're like, you know what? I really want to switch my cleaning products. This is our #1 selling cleaning product. Why? It's a one-stop shop. This is our cleaning solution. It's got dilution stuff on the back. You can clean almost everything with this one bottle, and you use it by the capful. You can mix it with vinegar. You can mix it with peroxide. You can mix it with baking soda. You can make all sorts of stuff with this Thieves cleaner. You can add essential oils to it. I like to add purification or lemon or Thieves oil to my cleaners just to boost them. I add it to my mop water, and I add pine oil to it. Just mop tonight. Getting ready to go out of town, want my house to be clean. This is what I trust. I trust this. Even just having mopped, I would put my kid on the floor and it would be okay for them to lick the floor. It is that non-toxic. So I love, love, love the Thieves line. If you have not heard of it or used it, hit me up. I will give you a sample. I will show you how to use it. All this to say, that is my box of freebies and things that I ordered for the month of March. If you have any questions about any of the individual products, hit me up. If you are a member, order your stuff on Essential Rewards so you can get all of these free items and points. If you are not a member, work with me. Still doing this business, about to ramp it back up now that Jackson's 5 months and we're kind of out of the weeds of newborn life. I am ready to get back on the Young Living train. Love, love, love my business. Love the products. I could rave about them all night long, but I'm going to go ahead and get back to my babe. Love you guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. My number is 215-3009. Have a fantastic evening.